drift trike is all finished, tested out, and I can 100% say this thing is sideways fun. So I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos. Obviously we had 3 build videos and 1 final test video. You know what, this was an awesome project that I've done. It's the first big project I've done on the channel, and I can happily say I'm definitely going to do something similar to this in the future. So if you've enjoyed these videos, please subscribe, smash that thumbs up button and drop a comment below. Any comment is good, but for now we've got to think about what we're doing next. I'm not going to give any hints away, but let's just say for the next couple of months I'm going to be doing small little projects building up to another big project like this. So just one last little thing before I go today. If you want to make one of these drift trikes and you've been inspired by my video or even other people's videos on YouTube, drop a comment below, and if enough people do it, I'll give a full list of like all the parts I've used, where I got them from, costings, and who knows, maybe after that you'll go out there, buy all the bits like I did and build yourself an awesome drift trike. But for now, see you in the next one.